Oliver, this is Penny. Nice to meet you. Today we share with the silver reflective heat transfer vinyls for you. Look at my hands. You can custom any size. And this heat transfer vinyl, you can use the safety clothes or shoes if you have a good reflective effect. Can you see this purple letter? And this material is the silver reflective. This one's vinyl. Follow me. You will see how to use this logo on the fabric. Okay, follow me. Design on computer. Cutting the logo. Easy to cut, easy to wedding, have a good reflective effect. Heat transfer the logo on the fabric. Warm hue. Under the lights has a strong reflective effect. Follow for more.